Hey, I'm Deborah, and I RV pretty much full time. I work as an artist. I go to locations and paint in these painting competitions called plein airs. And the other day I was taking a shower, and of course my hot water started to give way in the middle of my shower. The next morning I went and looked at my hot water heater, and while it was working when you first turned it on, after 3 minutes it would conk back out. So I didn't know what to make of it. After doing some research and some um, online through Facebook friends, I thought it was the thermocouple. So I ordered a thermocouple and my hot water heater. It's turning on. I can see the flame, and then after 2 minutes it turns off. So I'm thinking it's the thermocouple. So what I've done is, this panel was on here. There were 2 screws holding it in, and I removed those screws, and this is the thermocouple. See this orange wire? So there's a screw that holds that in, which I removed, and then you pull this out, and that is the part that I need to replace. Okay, I got my new thermocouple, and I'm going to leave a link on where I got this. The service was amazing. I couldn't believe it. Anyways, it's a pretty easy fix. Let's see if I can do this and hold the phone. But you put it, you kind of break the, yeah, it goes in like that. And then I'll put the screw in there. Look, I got a flame. I haven't put the cover on. I'm going to let it run a little bit and then let it cool down. I'll put the cover back on. But you can see that that's with the thermocouple. See how it's sitting right